Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Nice day to be out on the bike, and I'm making my way to Los Angeles Harley-Davidson. Oh, thank you. One motorcycle in particular that I hope they have right now is the new Electra Revival, the first motorcycle to come out in the new Icon series, where Harley-Davidson's bringing back classics, slapping 114s on them. And I'm really excited about it. What I think is really cool about these Icon revivals of older Harley-Davidsons from the archives is that, man, you get something that looks very classic, very different. To be able to have that look with the modern technology and performance, I feel like is pretty awesome. So yeah, I'm hoping that the Electra Glide is there. I think it's gonna be a really cool looking bike. I want to see it in person, so we're gonna check it out. Woo! You know, one thing Harley-Davidson does really well is maintain their iconic look. And it's funny when people think that Harleys are dated and they're like, Harley needs to, you know, get with the modern times. And what do? They release a motorcycle from way back then. And I think it's a good move, to be honest, to go back into the archives and release iconic models with all the modern features. That's awesome, guys. That's like going back in time.
What is up, guys? Welcome back. Today I'm at Los Angeles Harley-Davidson here with Donnie James.
Get up, get on.
And we just got in the Electra Glide Revival. Super excited about this motorcycle. This is number 846 out of 1,500 models that were produced. I was super surprised when they dropped this. How about yourself, man? How are you feeling?
Pretty surprised as well. It came out 2 days ago. Showed up on the truck, and we were like, "What is that?" It's a recreation of a 1969 Electra Glide. It is incredible looking. It's stunning. The paint, it's tritone, and I don't know if any of you know anything about painting, but getting a denim paint to match without a pinstripe on gloss paint is very difficult. So this is a very incredible motorcycle. And it is a true icon based on an older icon with every option you could get on it from back then, all with all new appointments. So Milwaukee 8 engine with a 114. It's got a batwing fairing with the brand new infotainment system, and then the aesthetics of it are incredible. So this is an iconic bike, and I can't wait for somebody to come and get this thing.
Just setting up over here. We've had people already come check it out. Already amazed by the looks of it. So by far, very classic looking motorcycle. I'm pretty excited about where Harley-Davidson's going with this whole Icon series, and it's pretty cool that they're bringing back these retro styles.
Absolutely.
That's pretty dope.
I mean, your 1969 Electra Glide now has Apple CarPlay. Pretty incredible.
Definitely.
Also, one-touch bags. I mean, I don't know if any of you have ever dealt with the older bags, but these are
one touch. So you just lock this,
unlock it,
boom.
One touch, it's open.
Man, I think this bike, when it originally came out, was designed for the long haul.
Absolutely.
You know?
That's exactly what it was. So in 1969, the fairing was an option.
Okay.
So it actually had like a Road King windshield, standard from the factory, but this was an option. So this includes that option, obviously, because they have the fairing already attached with the infotainment system. The hi-fi blue with the birch white and then the black denim. It just sets this bike apart from almost everything else you see on the road. ABS brakes now too. If you've ever ridden a bike without ABS, which most of you have, because ABS is a relatively new thing for Harley-Davidson, you know, and it's such a safety feature. When I ride a bike without ABS, I know instantly. I'm like, oh man,
you got to adjust the way you ride.
Yeah, you have to change the way you ride.
Exactly.
With ABS, it's such a better feeling, and you get way more control at stopping, and it stops so much faster and more controlled. So I would prefer to have ABS on any bike that I have.
So this is the first of the Icon series, the whole Revival series, and you know, I'm really excited about the Electra Glide, but actually more excited about what's to come, you know?
Absolutely. Harley-Davidson, if you're listening, all of California wants an FXRP.
Definitely.
Everybody in California will buy that bike if it's available. All 1,500 should be shipped to California.
Thank you for, letting me see this bike. to see it in person is amazing. Like, you know, you see it online, you see it in other videos, but you have to really come check them out to really like appreciate like the paint job and the whole styling of the bike and all the details that go into Harley-Davidson's. So I'm amazed. I'm super excited to see what's coming out.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Same.
man.
Thanks for watching Tim's YouTube channel. Try it with Tim. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Okay.
And then
Thank
also
you.
come to our website, lahd.com. Check out the bikes we have for sale or available at any time. We're open 24 hours a day online. So please come on down.
Definitely, man. Come check out LA Harley, guys. You know, it's one of the best dealerships. You know, if you want to test ride a bike, see what it's really like, this is the best place to do it. I appreciate your time, Donnie.
Hell yeah, man.
Hell yeah, dude. Peace.